Hi traders, this is Roberto, and I'm going to review the trades that were taken during the Asian session on Thursday evening, November 4th, 5th, 16th. So here is the Euro Yen. Now we're looking at the rainbow indicator. Notice that price is above the rainbow indicator, and this is the 1-hour chart. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Price is also above the rainbow indicator on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Price also is above the rainbow indicator, so we know that we're in an uptrend on 3 time frames. So we don't necessarily want to go against the ebb and flow of the higher time frame. So we want to be buying as price dips. And this was a great entry around this level. So we're going to wait for the market to come back down to a support. So let's analyze this chart. We're looking at a daily chart. So if I draw a fib, let's just assume that price stalls out at these levels. So we're going to draw a fib from the low to the high. And then these are levels of entries. We have 38, 50, 61% are the most popular. It would be very nice if price came back down all the way to the support at 107.70. That would be our entry, because not only is a previous support or previous resistance that was broken, it now becomes support and also falls at 61% retracement level. So let's look at some other time frames. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. And let's remove the horizontal line and fib. I like using a stochastic indicator to help me for entries. They don't mean anything if I don't have price action, if I don't have a candlestick pattern telling me that the market is finished retracing. But for example here, this is the retracement, and it stalled out at about, let's see what fib level that is. If we take the swing low of the previous day and draw it all the way up to the high of the next day, price came down exactly at 38% retracement level. It was also a support from the previous day. Notice right there. That was our entry, and at the time that printed, stochastic was down here, close to the 20 level. So that would have been a great entry, and price moved up about 144 pips from that point. Same thing is happening now. Notice that this is an entry, and I'm actually going to take this trade right now. Notice that price came down to a previous support. Just remove these lines so you can see this better. Price came all the way down to the previous resistance, turned support. And that's our entry on the 1-hour chart. Let's see how it looks on the 4-hour chart. Again, here was the support, the resistance level. Price came down to this resistance level. Notice that we're still in an uptrend on a daily, on the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart. The rainbow indicator is below price. So we're in an uptrend. So we're looking for targets. You just go back to the 1-hour chart. So we're looking at a fib target. First target is the swing point 109.87 is our first target. That was the resistance, most recent resistance. After that, what I like to do is draw a fib from the low, from the high all the way to today's low. So this is today's high, and this is today's low, and I'm looking for exit at these extensions. So if price does break today's high, then I start looking for exits at 161, and if it breaks 161, then it should go up to 261, which is 110.70. First target obviously is today's resistance, which is 109.87. Second target is 110 19. Okay, that's today's tutorial. Have a good weekend and see you guys next week.